we got our head here. We have sealed it. We've sealed the mouth. So we're going to sand it down. You see it dried, set up good. So we're going to sand this all down to make it smooth. We're going to use our Dremel attachments, sanding attachments, and this brush here to reach smaller spots. We'll use our palm sanders for the bit larger areas, and we'll do hand sanding as a final touch when we need to do that. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So you can see how this takes it down. So we're going to keep sanding it down with this until we get it all rounded down, and then we'll touch up the spots that need to be touched up, sand that again, and then hopefully by then we'll be ready for our base coat of paint. Thanks for watching.